So, guys, this year's Dispatch couple reveal was not scandalous at all. I think the couple themselves were aware of this reveal and had time to prepare for a proper way to go about it even before the reveal happened, which wasn't the case with Jenny and Kai. I think Jenny and Kai couple scandal was very unfortunate that they had to go with. And all this good stuff is happening because many of us are aware that Dispatch is being controlled by Hybe so that their group does not lose their momentum in earning money and their popularity stays that way. So, because we know that Hybe is controlling Dispatch, BTS is getting the immunity, they can't release shit on other groups too, because then that would be a clear industry, the power abuse, and other agencies would retaliate very strongly against it. So, Dispatch is not acting like an angel, it's just a good business decision. Uh, and I was very shocked by the way they retracted all the information when Jungkook Itaewon scandal happened. When Jungkook and his friends were in Itaewon that day, and he got a very few backlash from it. But the same time, the same week, another YG artist was DJing in Itaewon, and he got so much shit. It of course it wasn't done by Dispatch, but Dispatch really helped in controlling the narrative against Jungkook. Other artists don't have that kind of authority. I don't think that scandal is why I would stop listening to BTS. I mean, it's better that BTS is free from controversy and these guys can actually breathe a little bit with their hectic schedule. I'm really glad for them. But this is a worrisome situation for all the other artists that we stan as well, like 80s and other agencies with small amount of money to handle. So Dispatch is basically like a nuclear power weapon, and you can aim it at anyone and destroy their whole life. So I think something like this should be just abolished from existence rather than relying on the person who is holding it right now. The person who is holding it right now might be a good one, but in future we don't know. And Dispatch does is not really something that is the it's not a flag of journalism at all. I think with the invasive measures they take to get a scoop on any artist, they would be probably be aware of Sungri's misdoings, and still they did nothing till the Burning Sun scandal came up. I think Sungri's scandal was so bad, it was such a bad thing for women, and it is a joke. They made a joke out of us by letting us stand such an artist who is actually not even capable of respecting women as animals. That is outright that is the most outrageous thing that I think. So G Dragon and Sungri, I don't stand them anymore. I do listen to their music because the music is nice, but I have lost all my respect for these guys. Why G Dragon too? Because of course he would have known as well what kind of person Singri is. So there is that my view on the whole situation, that they knew some things but still they didn't do anything. So Dispatch is bad anyways. So it's no use to us at all. Maybe it was useful for Kim Son Ho and Gu Hara when they were in need, and these journalists proved their innocence, helped them prove Kim Son Ho's innocence, and helped uh, Gu Hara's mother not get the inheritance. She did not deserve it at all, and I applaud Dispatch for that. But everything else is just not supportable, not condemnable at all. And instead of just assuming that okay, Hybe is controlling it, we should just abolish Dispatch.